draw learning. Today we are going to draw Mario Bros. While we learn Spanish. Remember, I is ojo. We draw the mustache. Now the ear, that in Spanish is said, oreja. Let's draw his famous cap, that in Spanish is said, gorra. Very good. And now we draw the hand, which in Spanish is MANO. Now we use a larger marker to highlight our drawing. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say mustache in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Let's go with the blue color, that in Spanish is said, AZUL. Now we use red, which in Spanish is rojo. Very good. Now we use the brown. Let's go with the face. That in Spanish is said, cara. Let's see if you know the answer. Mustache in Spanish is bigote. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.